guys, it's ANNISA LIMARA. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. And if you are returning, hello love bugs. I miss you guys. I did a poll and I wanted to know your frequently asked questions about my hair. And the reason why I asked you guys that question is because if you've been with my channel for a while, you have seen my hair go from blonde to blue to purple to red to black. Well, did I do black on this channel? I have not done black on this channel, but a lot of colors. From short to bald to long to mid-length to tapered. You guys have seen it all. And right now I have really long red hair. And it's crazy because when my stylist straightened my hair back in July, I was like, wait a minute, where did all that come from? Because it wasn't that long in February. I mean, it was long in February, but it wasn't that long in February. So the Rona came in and messed up everything else, but apparently it was great for my hair. And then I went again back in October and it was even longer. So my hair is really thriving right now. It's like consistently growing, like I'm retaining all of my length. So I'm going to be answering some of those questions that you guys have asked me how I'm retaining my length with hair color. So I'm getting into all of that today. I don't have products that I use specifically weekly except this Protect Mist Bodyfier by Khalid Wajid. That stuff is so good. It's basically just a hair refresher and it feels so good on your scalp. It feels so good on my hair, and I like to spray that like if I'm just refreshing my curls. I'll spray it on my scalp if I just got finished working out and I don't really have time to wash my hair. So I switch between my two edge controls. I use two of them. I use the Khalid Wajid Protective Styles. It's their bamboo and biotin edge growth. So it's not necessarily an edge control. It repairs damaged edges. And then I use the pattern edge control, which I really like. And you guys have seen me use pattern on this channel before. And some of y'all don't like it. My hair likes it. That's what I've been using weekly on my hair. So I don't do a protein treatment. I do the Olaplex treatment. What Olaplex does is that it repairs the broken bonds in your hair and kind of fills them in to protect my hair from the hair color, to also protect my curls from the heat. She uses Olaplex most times when I come in. We do steam treatments, we do strengthening treatments. The bonding really helps protect my hair and keeps my curls coming back. I don't really do too many treatments at home beyond like a deep conditioning treatment and then the greenhouse method. You guys have seen me talk about the greenhouse method. Basically put the plastic cap on my head, sit it in the hair dryer for like 15 minutes and let it really kind of like soak into my scalp, into all those strands and balls and whatnot, so it can really deeply penetrate my my hair shaft so my hair can retain moisture. Anytime I go to Rachel, she blow dries my hair and then she flat irons it and they give a bump at the end. In between the times I go to her, I also blow dry my roots to stretch my hair. Not often, maybe like once a month or twice a month. Like once I leave the salon, I'll do like some pin curls or something like that. But I try not to like reapply the heat to my hair after I leave her salon unless I like have to do it, in which case I would use a heat protectant. They are more water-based. I don't use sulfates in my shampoos anymore. It has nothing to do with my curls. It has more so to do with my curls with color. I try to kind of like really use specific shampoos like my Aveda Madder Roots or Mono's hair shampoo. Like I love her shampoo. So I make sure my shampoos and conditioners are color safe and my products are color safe. They're water based. And then I don't use as much gel or really hardly any gel. And if I do use a gel, it's more of like a cream based gel. I like my curls to be defined, but I don't need for them to be like stuck in place. I like for my hair to kind of like breathe and do its own thing and frizz out like it always does. So yeah, that's pretty much like what's kind of changed with me having hair color or red in my hair. I do them very often, and I don't do them in the sense of like a wig, which I love wigs. I know how I love wigs, but more so like a braid, more like plaits. So I don't really wear twist outs anymore because they don't last as long. I think braids do my hair great. So I would literally like split my hair down the middle, do 4 braids on this side, 4 braids on this side, and just leave it plaited up, and that's it. And then I'll tie a scarf over it if I need to go somewhere, or put a cute hat on if I need to go somewhere. So typically if you guys see me with a braid out, which is what this is, I kind of like put it in these little space buns, but anytime you see my hair in a braid out, I've had them braids in my head for at least a week. At minimum a couple of days, because that just what works for my hair. And then I'll like have the 2 on the front. So if I wear a scarf, I can have like the little 2 braids hanging. But that's pretty much what I'll wear. Of course, I do still wear a wig every now and again. I'll wear braids, like cornrows every now and again. I actually want to start getting my actual hair cornrows without the weave and see how I like that. But yeah, so those are the protective styles that I use. So again, I get my hair colored 4 times a year, and she'll do a full process, and then in between time she'll do a root touch up and a color gloss. To keep my hair from fading, red is gonna fade. Any shade of red, copper, or whatever, ginger, whatever, it's gonna fade. But I do use color depositing shampoos and conditioners like my Evader Mataroot. I talk about that all the time. And there are other brands now that are slowly starting to introduce color depositing shampoos and conditioners into their collection, like Garnier. Using color safe shampoos and conditioners, that's really all you can do. And then I don't wash my hair that often or apply too much water to my hair that often. Like I wash my hair twice a week, and that's it. So I don't have a lot of must-haves, but a lot of products I've been using lately that I have just been going through is the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. Like, y'all, I be going through that stuff. I be going through it because it's so good. And sometimes I'll do my braid out with just this. No extra nothing. Wash my hair, deep condition it, put this in there, and that's it. And my hair be pop locking and dropping, honey. Anything about Pattern Beauty, my hair really likes this brand. I don't know what they can put in this, but Pattern Beauty, you're doing some things right. I don't think it's Pattern Beauty anymore. I think it's just Pattern. But Pattern, you're doing things right. Tracy Ellis Ross, Miss Ross, I like it. I like what I'm seeing. And then anything, that's a little aggressive. Anything by Mono's Hair. This collection, it's so near and dear to my heart. Partly because I know Mo, and she is a great friend of mine. She's a soror, and I'm just so proud of her. But legit, her products are really, really good. Like, I can't foresee me not using her hair products at all. I do like her co-wash, her leave-in treatment, her hair mask, from her shampoo. Like, it is just amazing. And so those are my must-haves. Products that are salon level. Like, her products are salon level. And I believe Melanin Hair Care is really great as well. And Patterns. You know what? I actually have also been using a little bit of Garnier too. I maybe add this to my twist out. It's the Garnier Curl Nourish Leave-In Treatment. My hair really like leave-in treatments. I would say leave-in treatments, deep conditioners, anything cream and water based, my hair really, really loves. It really thrives, and I just cannot see myself, you know, going back to how I used to do my hair with using so many like alcohol based products. You know, I feel like it's a combination of so many things. I'm gonna do a completely separate video talking about just my hair length, tips on maintaining your length, how I grew my hair out. My biggest tip or my biggest thing that I do is nothing. I leave my hair alone. Unless I'm doing a photo shoot or a video, or I don't go to many events anymore because it's COVID. But, you know, when I was going to events or, you know, just out, I do something with my hair. But other than that, my hair is in place. I'm out here looking like Sealy up in here because I'm protecting my ends. When I'm going to the salon, I'm getting my ends trimmed. Split ends aren't even able to travel up my shaft because I do such a good job of protecting my ends. And so that's really been helping with length retention. There's more factors that go into it, but honestly, less is more. And so whether you have hair color or you don't have hair color, less is more when it comes to trying to retain length and grow your hair. Those are my little nuggets for that, but we're gonna talk all about that. I'm probably even gonna do a length check. So I haven't done a length check in years. So I might do a length check just for, you know, just for the cause, just for the culture. Cause you know, natural hair bloggers and YouTubers, that's the thing we used to do all the time. I still didn't do it often. I only did it like twice. Probably the next time I get my hair straightened, which is next month. If you guys have any other questions that you'd like to ask about my hair, I can definitely address those. Thank you guys so much for your support. You know, my channel started off as a natural hair channel, all about my hair, my curls, and the care of my hair. So I definitely want to keep, you know, giving you guys that content in the midst of all of my other content that I'm doing. So thank you guys for your support. As you can see, I'm in my new bathroom, so I can't wait to do my bathroom tour and show you all that goodness. Make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Again, leave me your questions, and until next time, see you guys later. Peace.